Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest beauty gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare with the best pore cleansing tool on the market, the GLOFacial Hydro-Infusion Deep Pore Cleansing Plus Blue LED Clarifying Tool by Beauty Bio. If you've been struggling with stubborn blackheads, excess oil, or dull skin, this tool might just be your new best friend. Combining the power of Hydro-Infusion Deep Cleansing with Blue LED technology, this device promises to revolutionize your skincare routine right from the comfort of your own home. Let's talk about what makes this tool stand out from the rest. First off, its dual-action approach not only does it deeply cleanse your pores, but it also incorporates blue LED light therapy to target acne-causing bacteria, leaving your skin clearer and more radiant with each use. The GLOFacial tool is designed for ease of use. With its ergonomic design and simple operation, you can achieve professional-grade results without the hassle of scheduling spa appointments. Plus, its compact size makes it perfect for travel, so you can maintain your skincare routine on the go. Now, let's talk about the benefits. By unclogging pores, removing excess oil, and exfoliating dead skin cells, this tool instantly revitalizes your complexion, leaving your skin looking smoother, tighter, and more refined after just one treatment. Just imagine saying goodbye to pesky blackheads and hello to a fresh, glowing complexion, all without ever leaving your bathroom. Wondering how to incorporate this tool into your skincare routine? It's simple. Just press the desired treatment tip onto the tool, hold your skin taut, and glide the device along damp skin until the treatment chamber is empty. It's that easy. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your skincare routine and achieve professional-level results from the comfort of your own home, look no further than the GLOFacial Hydro-Infusion Deep Pore Cleansing Plus Blue LED Clarifying Tool by Beauty Bio. Say goodbye to dull, congested skin and hello to a radiant complexion that glows from within. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay glowing.